Hello everyone, this is JOSHXplay and today we're going to speed build and review the Polybag for LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Panda Bear with 83 pieces and no minifigures and released in 2023. As always, let's be fair to this little set. Enjoy! The main build for this polybag is the Panda Bear. You can also download instructions to build a penguin and a whale. But in my opinion, this is the most enjoyable and the best looking build. Overall, the translation from a real Panda Bear to this 83-piece LEGO Creator 3-in-1 polybag looks really good. I think what they could have improved on is in the paws. I think it could have been something a little bit different, but the face of the panda looks great with the tongue and the eyes and ears. Along with this, we have the little extra build for more bamboo stalks, and overall both of them make a really nice little combo in this polybag. Polybags tend to be a hit or miss, and I think this one is a hit. Although of course the Panda Bear is not perfect, because I think they could have detailed the back of the Panda Bear a little bit better or done something different for the paws. I think that it still looks great and it's a great little set to display on your desk, and I think it's a little bit easier to do it because this one's posable and it's better just to place down as opposed to the X-Wing, which we reviewed in our last video. But overall, I think for what it is, a $5 here in the US polybag for a LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set, it looks great. And if you want, you can build either a penguin or a whale. Very highly recommended. As always, thank you for watching this video, liking and subscribing. Until next time.